Go for it.
Right, go.
Right, James. Fucking dead. I heard his fucking skull crack there, by the way. Oh my fucking god.
Oh my god.
You like that?
Oh, no.
Well, you want me to put that with the back of your head?
Wait. No, Denny. Oh, Denny. Wait. Oh, don't do that
Not
shit.
fucking game.
Don't do that shit.
Ready?
No, I go. Oh! Fucking hell! Oh, you fucker!
Fucking
Oh my god. Oh.
This is what you call absolute fucking breakage. That's fucking bad, like. Get away the beast is fucking taming, like. Fucking hell, man, that's fucking bad, man.
Pierre. Oh! Dragon
Fucking dude, would you not videotape that for you crazy fuck? You just fucking like broke it with your fucking head.
This is some crazy shit, like.
Say that again.
I got one.
Let me bottle you now. Let me bottle you now.
Wait. Get inside.
No.
Wait, 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Right,
Nah, come on.
You know what it is?
If you go for two before they change your mind,
Right.
nah, then maybe I don't, isn't it?
Very bully.
Oh, come on. I'm a shy
No, shite bars,
Two fucking bottles on your head, you crazy
I can't handle it.
You just fucking
I'm a shy
smash.
bag.
You just smash fucking 3 bottles.
I can't handle it.
Let me see these videos, by the way.